Are you tired of doing the same tasks over and over again? Microsoft Power Automate can help you automate repetitive work, reduce manual effort, and improve your productivity with desktop and cloud-based workflows. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to automate repetitive tasks with Microsoft Power Automate in 2026. First, launch Microsoft Power Automate from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted to access your existing flows and automation tools. Click Create and choose the type of flow that best matches your task. Desktop flows automate actions on your computer, while cloud flows connect online apps and services to automate work across different platforms. Build your workflow by adding the actions you need. Yeah, you can open programs, move or rename files, send emails, fill in forms, interact with websites, or connect to supported Microsoft and third-party services. To make your automation smarter, add conditions, loops, or variables where needed. I mean, these features let your flow respond differently depending on the information it receives or the results of previous actions. Save your flow and click Run to test it. Watch the automation carefully, fix any errors, and continue refining the workflow until it performs every task exactly as expected. Finally, save your completed flow and return to My Flows whenever you want to run, edit, duplicate, or organize your automations. The more repetitive tasks you automate, the more time you can save every day. And that's how to automate repetitive tasks with Microsoft Power Automate in 2026. By combining actions, conditions, and workflows, you can simplify everyday work and focus on more important tasks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.